So picture this. You're sitting in bumper-to-bumper traffic, staring at that toll booth up ahead, and you're just wondering, how much time and money am I actually wasting right now? Or, maybe worse, you've opened your mailbox recently only to find one of those incredibly frustrating pay-by-mail toll invoices stacked with added surcharges. Look, if that sounds familiar, you are exactly where you need to be. Welcome to This Explainer. I am so excited to walk you through this today because reclaiming your commute is actually way easier than you might think.
Listen, if you are absolutely sick of those extra fees and delays, getting an easy tag transponder is the ultimate solution, especially for Texas commuters. Whether you're navigating Houston, cruising through Austin, or taking a massive road trip across the state, or even venturing out into Oklahoma, Kansas, Colorado, or Florida, the Easy Tag lets you glide seamlessly through tolls without ever stopping to dig for cash. It is quite literally designed to save you time, help you dodge those fines, and completely streamline your daily travel. And hey, even if you are a total beginner to electronic tolling, stick with me. By the end of this explainer, you're going to know exactly how to get set up.
All right, here is our roadmap for today. 1. Why you need Easy Tag. 2. Eligibility and requirements. 3. The application process. 4. Proper tag installation. And 5. Managing your account. Let's get into it. Starting off with Section 1. Why you need Easy Tag. This section is all about the incredible financial and time-saving advantages of actually having an active account. It's not just about skipping that annoying cash lane, it's about making your travel budget way more efficient. When we put the old, stressful pay-by-mail system right up against the Easy Tag experience, the difference is night and day. With pay-by-mail, cameras snap a picture of your license plate, and eventually you get a bill. The catch? Those bills almost always come with higher base rates and administrative fees. But with an active Easy Tag, your payments are automatic. And here is the absolute best part. Easy Tag account holders get an automatic 10% discount on all Harris County Toll Road Authority, or HCTRA, road tolls while driving a standard passenger car.
Now, get this. If you have a multi-car household, you might be stressing about the cost of putting a tag on every single vehicle in the driveway. Don't worry. The first 8 Easy Tag stickers per account are absolutely 100% free. Yeah, free. Any tags you need after those first 8 are just $2 each. That makes this a total no-brainer for families or couples with a few cars.
Plus, the barrier to entry has honestly never been lower. The minimum prepaid deposit to open up your account has been dropped to just $10 for 1 or 2 vehicles. And that money isn't a fee. It goes directly toward paying your actual tolls. Then, as you drive and your balance dips down to $5, the system simply auto-replenishes that $10 to keep your account active and in good standing. No monthly maintenance fees, no hidden subscription costs, just simple. Moving right along to Section 2, Eligibility and Requirements. Let's quickly figure out exactly what you need to scrape together before you start your application. It is incredibly straightforward, but having all this ready to go will save you a headache later. Basically, any member of the general public can apply. You just need a few basic things to ensure everything goes smoothly. Grab a valid driver's license or state-issued ID, jot down your exact license plate number and the state it's registered in, and know the year, make, model, and color of your car. You'll also need a mailing address. For payment, it's super flexible. You can use a credit card, a debit card, or link a bank account for electronic funds transfer. You can even open an account using plain old cash if you visit select physical store locations.
Okay, Section 3, the application process.
This is how you actually get your hands on a tag once your documents are ready. And the great news? You have a few really convenient options here. There are 3 simple avenues to apply. The most popular, by far, is online or right through the Easy Tag mobile app. It's totally self-service and takes just minutes. If you're more old school and prefer speaking to a human being, you can call their customer service line at 218-875-EASY. With both of those options, your transponder is going to be shipped to you via regular mail, which takes about 5 to 7 business days. But hey, if you need a tag right this exact second because you're hopping on the tollway this afternoon, you can walk into an Easy Tag store in person, and they will literally hand you an active tag right over the counter. Setting up your account online through the HCTRA portal is so incredibly user-friendly. You just hop on, select your account type like individual, business, or motorcycle, punch in your vehicle details, pick the tag type you need, and drop in your payment method. Once that initial $10 deposit clears, your tags are in the mail. It is designed to be a completely frictionless experience.
All right, on to a really important one. Section 4, proper tag installation.
Pay attention here, folks, because the absolute most common reason an Easy Tag fails to read, which gets you those super annoying toll violations, is just bad placement on the windshield. Installation is a precise but super easy 3-step process. First, always clean the inside of your glass with an alcohol wipe and let it dry completely. Oh, and make sure the glass is above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, measure exactly 4 inches down from the top edge of your windshield, just to the right of your rearview mirror. Peel that clear protective layer off, double-check that the barcode side is facing the interior of the car, and stick it on. Press firmly from the center outward to push out any trapped air bubbles. And listen to me on this one. Once it is stuck, it is meant to be permanent. Do not try to peel it off and readjust it, or you will almost certainly break the tiny microchip hidden inside. Now, things change depending on what you drive. While standard passenger cars put the tag up top behind the mirror, if you drive an oversized truck, a cargo truck, an RV, or literally any vehicle with a completely flat windshield, your placement zone is totally different. You need to mount the tag perfectly centered just 2 inches up from the very bottom of the windshield.
So, what if you have a really expensive, custom, aftermarket tint on your windshield? You definitely do not want to ruin that with permanent adhesive. Well, here is a genius pro tip straight from my Houston commuter on Reddit. They recommend grabbing a static cling sticker. You can find them super easily on Amazon. Just search for windshield static stickers. What you do is stick the Easy Tag's permanent adhesive directly onto the vinyl sheet, and then the static cling holds the whole thing firmly to your windshield. It leaves absolutely no residue and won't damage your tint if you ever need to take it down. Brilliant, right? There's also another alternative to the standard sticker. If you ride a motorcycle, or you drive a vehicle with a metal-coated windshield, which actually blocks the radio frequencies, the standard sticker just is not going to work for you. Instead, you need to ask customer service for the Easy Tag hard case. This is a larger, portable device that uses a mounting bracket rather than permanent glue. It does cost slightly more, but it guarantees those toll booth readers will actually sense your vehicle. There's even a special license plate-mounted variant if you ask for it at an Easy Tag store.
Let's bring it home with Section 5, managing your account.
Setting it up is just step 1. Maintaining it is what keeps your commute smooth. I highly recommend you download the Easy Tag mobile app on iOS or Android. It literally puts all these powerful account management tools right in your pocket. You can track your toll transactions in real time, check your balance, make sure your auto replenishment is actually working, and get instant push notifications if your payment card expires or fails. Keeping those alerts turned on is the easiest, most foolproof way to completely eliminate missed payments. Now, if you take only one single thing away from this entire section, let it be this. The absolute golden rule of the toll road is that your license plate must be accurately registered on your account. Period. See, even if your physical sticker glitches and fails to read, overhead cameras are automatically snapping a photo of your plate. If that plate matches an active account in good standing, they just deduct the normal toll amount. No big deal. But if it doesn't match, bam, you get hit with a violation and a hefty fee. So always update your account the very second you get new license plates.
And here is a totally fantastic feature for when you are traveling or maybe your car is stuck in the shop. If you're driving a loaner or a rental car, please don't try to peel off your sticker. You can just use this incredible digital feature inside your account called Easy Plate to temporarily add that rental vehicle's license plate. When that temporary car drives through a toll, the cameras read the plate and deduct the standard toll directly from your account balance. It works like magic, and no physical tag is required.
As we wrap things up today, just a quick disclaimer. Toll rates, deposit minimums, and specific policies are set by local authorities, and they absolutely can and do change over time. So I strongly advise you to always verify current rates and procedures directly with the Harris County Toll Road Authority at hctra.org before finalizing your account. Honestly, getting an Easy Tag is one of those tiny life upgrades that pays massive dividends by just reducing your daily stress. With all these tools now at your disposal, the real question is, why are you still choosing to sit and wait in line to pay for traffic? Check out the description box below for direct links to the official HCTRA website so you can start your application right now. And hey, if you found this explainer helpful, please don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives that make navigating life's complex systems just a little bit easier.